Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete temporary file in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to delete temporary files in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on Start, click on Settings. After click on System. After click on Storage. After click on Temporary File. After select as you like files, Delivery optimized files, download, delivery optimized file, etc. After click on delete and click on OK. That is. So guys, this is a very simple and easy method if you want to delete temporary files in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.